Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Learn AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Nano Banana. So if you've never heard about this powerful AI feature, then I'm going to show you how to use this with Remaker AI. Now, Remaker AI is an AI platform that allows you to use a ton of different AI tools, and one of them that they actually give you in this tool is Nano Banana. And to actually use that, it's super easy. Just simple go ahead and go to Remaker AI, ensure that you create an account. And of course, guys, you get some free credits that you can start with. But if you need to get some more credits, all you have to do is simply go to the pricing section right here. You have a few options you can choose to get started. Here, if you're just getting started, you can just get this 530 credits right here. All you have to do is just pay with your card, Google Pay, or Apple. Super easy. But to get started, you get a few credits that you can use to actually test out the Nano Banana for free. Now, how do you use it? Once you're inside the Remaker AI application, just simply go ahead and go to Image AI on the left hand side, and you want to scroll down and look for Nano Banana. So you want to scroll down, you're going to find it, you will find it, Nano Banana AI. Click on that. Now, once you're here, guys, you just need to go ahead and choose the following option. In my case, I'm going to do a custom test, and I'm going to just choose custom right here. And I'm going to go in and upload a few images. So I've tried it. So I've got a few clothes here, and I'm going to find a picture of myself. And this is a picture of myself, guys. I'm going to add myself right here. And I'm going to go ahead and add another image. So let me go ahead and find some clothes right here that I can try. Let me take, for example, this Balenciaga shirt here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just simply ask Nano Banana, change the male shirt to wear this Balenciaga shirt, right? So I'm going to just go ahead and say that. Then go ahead and click on generate. And what it's going to do is going to actually try to put me in this Balenciaga shirt. And that's going to be amazing. So let's just wait here. And one of the cool things, if you've never heard about Nano Banana, guys, what it actually does is allow you to create and generate images by using multiple images, or even just an idea with an image that you provided, and it actually keeps the same image and keep it realistic. So that's really amazing. Now, if you look at this result right here, it is super cool. I'm going to download it and open it so you can see right here. And it opens up on my second screen, and you can see how amazing it that. It even made me look really nice in that shirt. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.